Thank you. Before we close, we've got some extra gifts that we'd like to give out. You want me to do this first?
Big thank you to Kelly.
Big thank you to Kelly. So thank you very much for that poignant speech and the nudge, the well-needed nudge. I think you put it very clear that, you know, it is generational. I couldn't find those. Kelly's great with words. So, yeah, it's generational, and we do need to get together more and get to know each other more, have more conversations. So thank you very much, Kelly, for that.
I'm just going to put a quick plug in. David? Where's David? Hand up, David. Shall I put a plug in for your accountability meetings? So, would you like just to step up and tell people? Come on, David. David's the person.
TCC holds accountability meetings for elections, and those range from Senate elections, county council elections. Last year, it was a general election. These accountability meetings are not like hustings. We give the candidates the questions beforehand. We give them no right to apply. We want to work with every politician who can make a change for us. We don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. I've sent an email out to member groups, and I know that a few have come back to me. We're going to be out organising the Senate election. As Kelly was saying, it's going to be really important this time. I think there are more members of the Senate going to be voted in as well. There's going to be 6 in each constituency, larger constituencies. But I think it's really important that we hold politicians and we hold candidates to account. So before May, when the election is, we'll be holding face-to-face meetings, and we would love to be involved. If you want to become part of our steering group, our issue group, organise the meetings, tell us how you want the meetings to run, who you want to invite, who do you want to hold to account. So if you want to become involved, email office@TCC or give us a ring or just say hi if you see us anywhere. And so we can get the politicians or candidates to give proper answers and know that lived experiences are really, really vital. Thank you.
So shortly, we'll move on to the informal celebration part of the evening, and we will be inviting Charlotte, one of our brilliant trustees, to cut the cakes. But firstly, we've got some thank yous we'd like to give.
Yes, we've got thank yous. Sorry, I went astray after dinner. I went astray then. So first of all, we would like to invite the lovely Sophia up to say thank you for all the volunteering she's done with us the last few weeks, helping us to prepare everything. So Sophia, come on up.
Now, we would like to extend huge thank you to Pat and Maggie, the St Union sisters, who have provided TCC with accommodation and care and support for the last 30 years. Maggie and Pat are what Maggie likes to call our non-management supervision, who is always there telling us to eat and keep warm and look after ourselves.
And stop saying over so late.
Yes, go home, Susan.
Go home.
It's nearly 7 o'clock. So we would like to invite Pat and Maggie to come up. I think we might get told off on Monday.
I think Pat and I are probably the last in a fairly smallish but number of sisters, and we have been so glad on behalf of our congregation, La Sainte Union, to be able to host TCC and to be part of a great tradition. Thank you all.
Next, I'd like to thank the lovely Lara from St. Joseph's for turning up every Monday. Come on. We spend almost every Monday together for half an hour of mayhem, and it's wonderful. So we just want to say thank you so much for everything you do.
And lastly, but definitely by no means least, we want to say a big thank you to Melissa Griffiths, our fantastic Chair of Trustees. Melissa is an absolute wonder. She's kind, she's supportive, she's inspirational. She is an amazing support for Ruth and I, and we just cannot thank you enough for everything you've done for us for the last couple of years, and we hope that you will continue with us for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, so this is the end of people talking on here. We hope that you continue to talk to each other. So just after we step down from here, we will be asking you all for a group photograph. And I'm noticing, I whispered to Sue earlier, actually from here you all look wonderful. So we'd love to ask Justin to come and take a picture of you all here, if that's okay, from this view. And then we will go down, we will cut cake with Charlotte. And also, we have a guest book, which we will keep very safe in a time capsule for another 30 years, and we'll get it out. So we would really love if you could write some comments, or even if you feel that you want to make a pledge to your community and to change making, put it in our guest book, and we will keep it. And that's it, really, I think.
So we've got one last paragraph.
We've got one last paragraph.
In fact, we've got two.
Oh.
I think you've just done that one. So we'll
Yeah,
just go to that one.
I just went wild.
Why not? So lastly, we'd like to say a big thank you to everyone for joining us this evening. We as a staff team, and I think I can speak for the trustees, are so thrilled that everybody has come out on such a terrible evening. We were expecting to have lots of empty seats, so actually having everybody in the room is amazing and a testimony to people's commitment to TCC. Take my glasses off, bear with me, I can't see now. So we would like to invite you to raise a glass and commit to supporting another 30 years of change making across North East Wales and beyond.
So together, let's turn the next 30 years into a legacy of courage, kindness, and unstoppable change, because our future is built by the bold hearts in this room. Thank you, everybody. Get the music on, Stephen.